Yo, so guys, what's good? Yeah, Charlie. My name is Brad Bunny. Yes, Ghana's positive blogger as usual. They can give you guys more filler entertainment news where they happen. This is the first time watching you know that I say I go talk, say subscribe. So this is why they make you delay himself. Yeah, do what and subscribe because we already break the exclusive the entertainment news really happening for the countries. So make sure and do what subscribe. So all the Shatta movement militants have been sacked by Shatta Wale for selling out. All the Shatta militants have been sacked by Shatta Wale for selling out. So I have this video here I'm about to show you guys. Shatta Wale actually explaining the details why he, the SM boss, yes, Shatta movement boss, sacked the militants. So without wasting my time, I'm dropping the video for you guys to know the full details for yourself. Make sure you subscribe after that. And my name is Brad Bunny. Stay tuned for more entertainment update.
Come to me, say one done, and they believe you. If you're not serious in life to make them, you can't be in my road. You can't be in my lane. It will be very difficult for you to understand me. Because I like play one. Play the whole play. Come on. Ask girls. Ask girls. Boys say they know me. Ask boys. Ask boys. If you did, they play with the play. They play. I play. Me, I know how to play. I know how to play. But then me and boys, they feed it. They know you go leave me. Then you don't go one can talk say, no, as I deal with them, I don't know what I do. Hey, you don't know what you do. When they lie like that, so you know go on. Check everybody where they leave me. They know they go on. God know they bless them. God know they bless them. They all farm people. Plenty of them will run and they're Americans. They didn't even collect visa for them. Plenty. They did there. Right now, if you say the visa you hold, if you say you go get opportunity for top, when you know it really accept, say, Charlie, I wrong Shatta. Shatta, they talk to me about the work. But it make like a fuck up. Yes, you fuck up. You fuck up. You fuck up. Big time. But what did they tell the fans? Oh, Charlie Wale there, you don't know him. We deal with them where they tell you this thing. If you understand, we deal with them. The guy in life be some way. Wale there in life be some way. You people make people they fit talk say me if I do cocaine, if I smoke weed, because of you people say because of those things they do say it make us stop smoke weed. It make us stop smoke. It make us stop smoke weed. Cocaine they are not do some before, but it be them they work for the then you do the cocaine. They do cocaine. You see somebody where they do cocaine where they wear diamonds and rolly and diamonds for your fingers before. You see some before. Somebody where they do cocaine. Somebody where they do cocaine. If you drunk it, catch him, take it, catch him, like come on this one, they go sell him, make it sort himself. See the cars I get. Somebody where they do cocaine, go figure the house I get fast for easily go. I they build another estate. I they build them. I go into real estate. Somebody where they do cocaine. Then you put there, then they go tell the fans some things. I can tell you put something. You see, from Blade Dematime to this militant Dematime, where did they talk? I just keep quiet while they watch things. So I say, yeah, okay, cool, wow. So you people want to follow the same trend because some people easily believe that that's how Shatta is. I like that. But you see, God won't make some people even leave my body before I buy my private jet. I tell you these fans today. Me the dream I get, if they make my brain, they pay me, not in my head, or my brain. My brain. If you ask my father, I go tell you, me, my son, he always in brain. My brain, they pay me, not in my head. My head, not the fee aching, no. My brain, the thing, they pay me, they pay me. So if you put there, where you know, if you sit down and think, say, but why these boys, when they come Shatta in there, no, then they leave them? Why if they come, no, then they leave them? My friend, they be lazy people. They're not ready to work. They come because, yeah, God bless me. I get fans. So, yeah, they come, do like, they want to do like, yeah, one down. Yeah, for life is for life, yeah. Daddy, yeah. Fuck it. Anybody where they call me daddy, they want the person with two eyes. I watch the man. Then go watch your daddy. You sell out very soon. I know all of them. From the militant, from Natalie, Joint 77, Adisaf, Kata, I know all of them. From the people where me and work with, I know all of them. The time they start my music, I don't know any of them. And they don't know me. It be music where they can't hear about me. Hey, man, grow up nice, so answer me. The time I had to go to London and see these boys, so I don't know them. At the age of 14, 13, 14, when I start go London. Go ask my father. Since then, I fly. Me as I go school, I live wretched life. If you ask anybody who know me for 7th grade, you know me for Winnie Bar, you go tell you, say, shatter the endos, they live like ghetto life. I know, because I don't want to make you know, say me, I'm a rich boy, said. Because me, I love street life. Me, I'm a gangster. Like, I be shot. I love my street life. Because when I see street people, if they touch me and they say, no, this be me. Yes, don't be say I won't go there ghetto. Don't be say that over. And they say, no, for the street, smart mind they there. Like, go to meet somebody, you know, then pack no business go on, then you survive. That's why I gotta go watch I gotta go watch my father, because my father get money. My father gets him money. But today, my father is proud. Say, I know they put stress for him top. Oh, daddy, I want record. Oh, daddy, I want go here. Oh, daddy, I want travel, go here. Recently, once we had the travel, we say, no, he won't buy me ticket. We now buy me first class ticket. Recently, with my father, he now buy me first class ticket. Because you know why? Junior, stop that thing. That is father, where you proud of his son. Oh, see, are you militant? You did there. All your songs where I put out, or one self don't know where you go right. One song where you know the way you put right. Line by line, say B, D, E, F, G. I teach you all. Not be one line, said we one line. One line. Then some people go there, then they go talk, say, what are they do to the militants? They know, like, what are they do to the militants? Hey, I say I bake bread. Where I say the bread not good. If you say the bread good for, go chop them and eat. If you die, don't come blame me. Say I cook bread for you where the bread no good. You know me I cook. What kind of nonsense with this? What kind of nonsense with this? When human beings not sit down and just think, say, no, these things, the thing that they do, Shatawale, you know, but the moment they leave Shatawale, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave them, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave them, then another opportunity come. How is this thing happening? Let me just sit down as a normal human being to study this thing and undergo certain things, make I just understand how or why is this thing happening? None. But somebody go there, oh, shut up there, the way they sack their boys. Hey! Corona will come. Go check companies, they sack plenty people. Not be even Corona. Before Corona, you can't be in a bank, come work at 8, then you come at 10. You go home, take your bride and everything and sit in your house. The work I do. I just do work. Not make nobody see me say, my heart they come, my heart they come. Hey, like your heart know they come. Make Rana, make you no get money. Make somebody they can't give you pressure. You will see the way your heart will come. Don't let us think like we are myopic, we are short-sighted, like we can't see far. My dream is say me too, if I get money, make I do something for my fans. Make I give something to my fans. Make I support my fans. Make I do this. See this Tuesday market that they think of. And they say, no, coronavirus come. Make I do. And some people, they don't. You see, make I tell you, you see, I deserve Natalie, Joint 77. I sacked them. I should say before January. Or in the middle of January or something. Long time. That's when I give them a pass and they go. Long time. But they did the group pages inside. Then they put some nonsense songs inside like it be me I write for them. And I don't want that dent to be on me. I don't want that image. Because the kind of things that they tell them say, hey, I deserve you sha. Joint, you sha. Hey, Natalie, you sha. Captain, you sha. Make you people do song. Make the fans feel proud of you. At least, people go get some of the fans. Make them to support your music. They need to go get money for talk. Boys say they know they understand. At the self, they feel gang up. Then you are the self where you know they feel right there. You feel gang up. If they play beat for you, where you know they feel enter. They feel gang up with Joint 77, Natalie, Captain. Anytime say one done they from fool you people. You see that stupid life way some people can show me some time ago way. I know mine. That's why I mean somebody tells you somebody even get talent. But they see the person like take your talent, Charlie. Because somebody get talent where you no get sense. Take your talent. At the self, it the gang, the militants. They start going interview. They do them a song. They go do some song. Mandela. As if They did the way apartheid come for South Africa. They go do some Mandela. It all be at the self manipulation. Charlie in there, in born. I say, you the captain say, you born, you born. Cause yeah, if you pay for me, I'm born. And if you be man, don't come live. If you be man, and they tell you don't come live, come they do like you won't talk big boy. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the things I do for you, your mother, your father said no, they do for you. Don't come live. They can't do like you won't come sit camera top. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the kind of money you I give you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. The kind of things you I do for you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. Not be you alone. George Sami, Natalie, Captain. You people all you know. But if you can sit media because everybody get phone. So if you can sit down and they talk nonsense to people, make people believe say, oh that boy skinny self liver, oh that boy blaze self liver, oh that boy this guy self liver. All of them they don't get sense one because they are not ready to work. Me I want to work. And when you're my friend, when we get girls, oh yeah, girls they Charlie, yeah. Me and them all the chop pussies. We the fuck together. We the fuck together. We the chill. We the have party together. That one don't need the ball. That one they know they can't tell people.